Alright, in this video we're going to evaluate this absolute value function. So notice it looks a little bit different than the linear function because it has these two absolute value brackets. So let's go ahead and we're going to follow our first step just like the other video. We are going to go ahead and rewrite this equation. So I'm going to write right here, rewrite equation using 2 in parentheses in place of x. Now the reason we're using 2 in place of x is because we're finding f of 2. Notice this is f of x, and here they replace that x with a 2. So that's what they're telling us to do. So we're going to go ahead and write this as f of 2 is equal to, and I'm going to make my absolute value bracket, and then 3 minus 7, and we're going to replace this x right here with parentheses and put the 2 inside of it, because everywhere there's an x we're just replacing it with parentheses and the 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and close this right here. Our next step is we want to take this that's on the right side, so I'm going to box it real quick, and we want to put this inside of the calculator. So I'm going to put enter right side of equation into calculator and hit enter. So I'm going to go to get my calculator, bring it right up here. Now a lot of you may not know how to find the absolute value symbols. I'm going to show you how to do that. You simply hit the math button, and then you're going to click to the right to go to NUM, which stands for numbers, and you're going to use this ABS parenthesis, which means absolute value. And when I hit enter, you'll notice it puts those 2 brackets, right? Those 2 lines that run front and at the end of this expression. So then I'm going to put 3 minus 7 parenthesis 2 close parenthesis. And notice now this looks exactly how this looks right here. That's inside that I boxed. So I'm going to hit enter, and it gives me 11. So I'm going to write that down. So f of 2 is equal to 11. And then I'm going to box my answer. So for step 3, remember, always box your answer.